guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome all our new subscribers. Today I'm going to learn how to polish with the Turtlewax Hybrid Solution Polish and Wax.
All right, everybody. So, got to thank my assistant with her lovely introduction. Today she's going to be learning how to polish. And we're going to be using our Harbor Freight Chicago Electric with our 3-inch back plate on a black pad, flyby. And we're going to be using the Hybrid Solutions Polish and Wax.
I bet you in almost every video someone's have done that.
Yep, every video someone's got to do a flyby. Okay. So, we're going to be using our test hood right here. We're going to go ahead and get her set up with her polisher. Here you go, young lady. Now, go ahead and come over to the panel. Make sure your speed indicator on the back here is on 1. Okay, maybe we're just gonna stick on 1 for now. Okay, all right guys, we're gonna go ahead and give her a few dime size little drops here, like so. All right, now we're gonna start. Go ahead and spread the product out.
That's enough.
Get that blob right there so it doesn't fling. Perfect. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, keep the polisher on the paint. Go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and slide this up, okay? Now go ahead and spread your product out left and right. Perfect. Just like that. Just go ahead and hit the button in. Just press the back. Perfect. All right, you did awesome. Let's go ahead and wipe it off. Go ahead and set your polisher down. What's up, bud? Sorry for my dogs barking, guys. Go ahead and wipe it off. Alright. Did absolutely awesome, guys. She did awesome. So. Oh, whoa. Almost dropped the hood again. Perfect, perfect.
But good thing we both caught it.
Let's go into your final thoughts on your first polish. Alright, everybody. We are on our final thoughts. My sidekick's first time polishing. She did an absolutely amazing job. How would you describe your first time polishing? Was it easy or hard?
Yeah, it was easy.
It was easy, huh? Did you enjoy it? Yeah? Is it fun? Yeah? Is it something you would want to do again?
Yeah.
There you go. You guys heard it straight from her herself. I'm very proud of her. She did an absolute amazing job. And now she's gonna have to do it every time I'm out in the garage and get better at it, guys. And
so now I'm gonna be polishing the cars when you polish them.
very likely, because you know, 2 polishers are better than 1. We can get around the car that much quicker.
Definitely on Dad's car because it's smaller. Definitely not the truck. Definitely not.
Definitely not the truck. Well, that's okay. But I wanted to bring you guys along on this quick video, and I wanted to get her out there. She's been bugging me for her to learn how to polish, and I couldn't be more happy with her in her first time polishing. So I want to thank you guys for coming along on this quick little video and supporting the channel. And look for the future Taco Smurf over here, and she's gonna be taking over here soon. So thank you guys all. Do you want to thank everybody for watching?
Thank you guys all for watching this video, and we'll see you next time on the video.
We will all see you all on the next video.
Bye!